ain't perfect, but there are things we can do to make all the troubles worth it. That will help us make it through, like faith, hope, and giving. And the greatest of all is love. That's the joy in living. In this world there ain't enough, but if you do someone a favor with only goodwill on your mind, therein lies a wealth beyond measure. Ain't that the bottom line? If you're looking for a treasure, be sure you know what you find. To some, it's water in the desert. To others,